Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how you can sign up or log in into your Pinterest Lite application. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open up your Pinterest Lite application and then you'll be met with your the welcome page. So in order to sign up for the first time to your Pinterest Lite, you can directly connect it with your Google account, which is super easy and convenient. So go ahead and select on the continue with Google option if you have a Gmail account. If you have a Facebook account that is ready, or if you want to connect your Pinterest with your Facebook, go ahead and log in your Pinterest with your Facebook. Or if you want to go to the traditional way, you can also continue signing up with your email. But for the sake of ease, we're going to continue with Google. And I'm going to click on my Gmail account. You have to confirm it. And now that you have confirmed, you will see that Pinterest will ask a bunch of questions to set up your profile. And now you have to pick 5 or more interests so that your Pinterest can show a post that is similar to your interest. And now that you've selected 5 interests, you can continue. Now that you've continued, you will see that your Pinterest Lite has opened up, and this is how you log in into or sign up into your Pinterest. Super easy and simple. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching.